Hello students, let's continue chapter 11th of science of class 7th, that is transportation in animals and plants. Today we will discuss transport of substances in plants. In chapter 1, you learned that plants take water and mineral nutrients from the soil through the roots and transport it to the leaves. And the leaves prepare food for the plant using water and carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. Students, have you ever wondered how water and nutrients absorbed by the roots are transported to the leaves, and how is the food prepared by the leaves carried to the parts which cannot make food? Now we will discuss transportation of water and minerals from roots to all cells of plant. Plants absorb water and minerals by the roots. The root have root hair-like structure present on root. The root hair increase the surface area of the root for the absorption of water and mineral nutrients dissolved in water. The root hair is in contact with the water present between the soil particles. Students, plants have pipe-like vessels to transport water and nutrients from the soil. The vascular tissue for the transport of water and nutrients in the plant is called the xylem. The xylem forms a continuous network of channels that connect roots to the leaves through the stem and branches, and thus transports water to the entire plant. Students, you can see in this picture the xylem transports water and the dissolved minerals upward from the roots. As you know that leaves synthesize food by the process of photosynthesis. The food has to be transported to all parts of the plant. This is done by the vascular tissue called the phloem. So students, xylem and phloem transport substances in plants. The xylem transports water and the dissolved minerals upward from the roots. Evaporation of water from the leaves during transpiration produces a pulling force causing water to move up, and phloem carries the food prepared by the leaves downward to the other parts of the plant. We will perform activity 11.3 to show transportation of water through stem. We would require a glass tumbler, water, red ink, a tender herb, and a blade for this activity. Pour water to fill 1/3 of the tumbler. Add a few drops of red ink to the water. Cut the base of the stem of the herb and place it in the glass as shown in figure. Observe it the next day. Does any part of the herb appear red? If yes, how do you think the color reached there? You can cut the stem across and look for the red color inside the stem. You can see in the figure. From this activity, we see that water moves up the stem. In other words, stem conducts water. Just like the red ink, minerals dissolved in water also move up the stem along with water. Water and minerals go to leaves and other plants part through narrow tubes, xylem inside the stem. Students, in class 6th, you have learnt that plants release a lot of water by the process of transpiration. Plants absorb mineral nutrients and water from the soil. Not all the water absorbed is utilized by the plant. The water evaporates through the stomata present on the surface of the leaves by the process of transpiration. The evaporation of water from leaves generates a suction pull the same date you produce when you suck water through a straw, which can pull water to great heights in the tall trees. Transpiration also cools the plant. So, the loss of water in the form of vapor from the leaves of plants into the air is called transpiration. Transpiration helps the trees or plants in the following manner. It produces cooling effect, thereby saving the delicate cells from the heat of the sunlight. Transpiration helps in the movement of water from roots upward. So students, this is the end of chapter 11th of science, that is transportation in animals and plants. We will meet again with next video. Up till then, thank you.